Hello guys, welcome back. So I had actually prepared videos on, I had covered all problems from class 10th, exercise 8.3 from 1 to 10, but one of our viewers complained, he actually said that he was not able to see it clearly, the solutions. So that is why I'll remove those videos and I'll replace those with this one. But we'll have to go slower because I'll have to write slowly and I have to write it bigger. There is nothing wrong with the recording device. It's all about how quickly and how small I write. So we'll again 4 1 2 3 I'm not covering. I'm starting with number 4. Maybe we'll solve only 2 in one class, 4 and 4 5. So number 4 and number 5. So number 4 says prove that one plus sec a by sec a equals to sine square a by 1 minus cos a. Sine square a by 1 minus cos a. So before we proceed, you know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Anytime remember these three identities. Derivation I have discussed in the previous classes. Right? So LHS, if we start, we can start with RHS, we can start with LHS. So let us start with LHS. 1 plus 1 by cos a, right? By 1 by cos a equals to cos a plus 1 by 1 by cos a. So these two cancel out each other. So we are left with 1 plus cos a. Now there are two ways. Either you start with RHS, you break sine square a into 1 minus cos square a. This becomes a minus b, a plus b. And these two cancel each other. LHS equal to RHS. You are left with 1 plus cos a. Right? LHS equal to RHS. This is one way. Other way is you multiply numerator and denominator with 1 minus cos a. There are several ways to solve the problem. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this becomes 1 square minus cos square a by 1 minus cos a, and that is nothing but sine square a by 1 minus cos a. So that is equal to RHS. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next one. For number 5. Which is, I earlier said, it's the toughest. I consider is it tough. Cos a minus sin a plus 1 sin a plus 1 by cos a plus sine A minus 1 equals to cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A. So, and the hint says use cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square. So, bring cot square here, cosec square A minus cot square A equals to 1 cosec A plus cot A. Same, A plus B, A minus B, cosec A minus cot A equals to 1. That means cosec A plus cot A equal to 1 by cosec A minus cot A. So, LHS was what? Cosec A plus cot A, that is equal to 1 by cosec A minus cot A. Now, break into sin and cos. 1 by sin A minus cos A by sin A take LCM, sin A 1 minus cos A. So, 1 by, you know this, right, 1 by A by B equals to B by A. So, this becomes sin A by 1 minus cos A. So, this is equals to sin A by 1 minus cos A. This is what we have reached so far. Now, we will pick up RHS. Now, we will pick up RHS and what we will do, see, A by B into B by A is 1, right. So, that is why I am writing it here, A by B into B by A equals to 1. So, what I will do, LHS, this is RHS, right, RHS we have reached. LHS equals to, I multiply cos A minus sin A plus 1 cos A plus sin A minus 1 into sin A by 1 minus cos A and 1 minus cos A by sin A. So, it is actually into A by B into B by A. So, this is actually multiplying by 1. You can divide it, multiply it by 1 and you take this separately. So, that is equals to, you multiply cos A minus sin A plus 1, you know algebra, right, and then minus cos square A plus sin A cos A, sin A cos A minus cos A by sin A cos A plus sin square A minus sin A into sin A by 1 minus cos A. So, cos A and minus cos A cancel with each other. You are left with sin A cos A, sin A cos A, and 1 minus cos square is sin square A, this one, and minus sin A. by 1 minus cos A. So they cancel each other and you are left with sin A by 1 minus cos A, which we already derived that RHS is sin A by 1 minus cos A. So LHS equals to RHS proved. I hope this was clear. It seems we have time. Let's try another one, number 6. Let me know if you have any questions again. See, thanks to I don't remember the name of that person. It was Rajesh, I think. It was Rohan. Thanks Rohan for your feedback. I really liked your honest feedback that you were not able to follow, I mean, the small writings and the, so there is nothing wrong with the resolution. It's all wrong with the small I write and the camera is too far away. Yes, you are correct in that regard. 1 minus, this is another one, 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A equal to sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A. I hope you can see it right now better. So there are, see, anywhere you see a root and some LHS or RHS is under square root and the other side it's not outside, everything is outside square root, you know I have to convert it into something whole square so that root and square cancel each other. So that is our target. Now what should we multiply with? Either I multiply by 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A, same. See why, I'll tell you why I did not, so what happens, this is the solution actually. So first see the solution, this is A plus B whole square by 1 minus sin square A, going by the same formula, A plus B, A minus B equals to A square minus B square. So this becomes, this is cos square A, right? 1 plus sin A whole square by cos square A, that becomes 1 plus sin A by cos A. Square and root cancel each other and you separate them, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. So this becomes sec A and this becomes tan A, that is equal to RHS. So you may ask, why didn't I multiply with minus sin A? If I do that, this will become 1 minus sin square A. This will become 1 minus sin A whole square. So depending upon what is the RHS, what needs to be proved, this will become cos square A by 1 minus sin A whole square. This will become cos A by 1 minus sin A. And if this needs to be proved, you will have to take this approach. Okay. And if something like dividing numerator and denominator by cos A. See, there are many ways, many directions you can take. 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A. So this becomes 1 by cos A is sec A minus tan A. If this is there in the RHS, you have to take this method. So depending upon the problem, you can solve them. Number 6 is done. Let's do number 7. See, the temporary arrangements which I have made, there are better ways to do that, but please cooperate with me. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta. The very thing which comes into my mind is sin theta I take common here, I cos theta take common here, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. That is what comes into my mind. Anything else, if you are thinking, don't think. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. I mean, that will, you can definitely resolve the problem, but that will be more complex than this one. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. I preserve tan theta and I break any sin into cos. Sin into cos means 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta, and vice versa, 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. So let me break the first one. Sin square theta. Let this, don't break this one too, otherwise you will never reach. If you break both, then you will never reach to a conclusion. They will not cancel out each other. So this becomes 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So this becomes 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta. This is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1, they cancel each other, equals to tan theta equals to RHS. I hope you covered this one. We have covered 7th. Shall we cover another one? Let's cover another one. Number 8, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equals 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So LHS simply break into A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2 AB sin A into cosec A plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. Sin square A plus cos square A, group them together, sin square A plus cos square A, cosec square A 1 plus cot square A, and this is 2 sin A into 1 by sin A, right? They are reciprocals of each other. We are left with sec square A 1 plus tan square A plus 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. So you are left with this one, 1 plus cot square A plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. I hope we covered a lot. how many? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We covered 5 problems. I'll create another video for number 9 and 10 if you want. Otherwise, I will move to algebra or whatever you suggest. I hope this is much clearer. So please do subscribe my channel if you like the video, and I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Meet you in the next class.